Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. Today I'll show you how to delete text messages on Android for both sides, so you can remove messages not only from your phone but also from the recipient's device. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Messages app and find the message you want to delete. This method works only with modern RCS chats, which offer enhanced messaging features. Step 2. Long press the message you sent until it's selected. This lets you choose actions for that specific message. Step 3. Tap the trash can icon to delete the message. You'll then see options to either delete for everyone or delete for me. Step 4. Select delete for everyone. If you want the message removed from both your phone and the recipients, a message deleted notification will appear for both users. Important notes: both you and the recipient must have RCS enabled in Google Messages for this to work, and you usually have about 15 to 40 minutes after sending to delete the message. Also, this method does not work for traditional SMS or MMS messages, only for RCS chats. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.